want? Why are you in the pantry? Get out the empty pantry. There's nothing in there. Today is what day is today, husband? Huh? Today is Wednesday. I went to TJ Maxx and they had the Ray done. Turn that down, turn off the soundbar. There's too much going on. I have a headache and I have cramps. I have cramps really bad. That's why hubby's cooking, because I don't feel good. So I went to TJ Maxx and Conte, honey. Boom! I found the Ray Dunn Mary plates. I found 6 of those, and I found the Believe. And to prevent me from spending money, I don't walk with my credit card. I don't walk with my card. I don't walk with anything. I just had cash. So I was like, I can't, because these were like $6.99 a piece. And then I got the ornament. So I got the ornaments. So I got the Believe and the Hope and all of that. It's up in there. And I got just one set because I was like, don't go crazy, don't go, because one set of those was like $12.99. And then the plates were $6.99 a piece. $7 for one plate is it's a little bit too steep. But I am hosting Christmas dinner, so I was like, I want something nice for my mother-in-law to eat out of. So that's why I splurged on them. But it was still kind of a little bit too pricey, but I only had 40 bucks. So you know what I did? My husband sent me the card information for our bank account a few days ago, and I legit went on TJ Maxx website and purchased an e-gift card and sent it from my hubby to myself, and in the little note section I just said thank you. Thank you, husband, for this gift that you don't even know that you just gifted me. Hey, no man, go sit down. Go sit down, Leah. Give me a butt. 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 But hubby's cooking dinner. He's making Alfredo. Alfredo.
Chicken Alfredo.
Chicken. He's making.
Yeah, different.
He's making chicken Alfredo. It's the same Alfredo, same thing. And I was telling him, I was like, I told myself today, I was like, I got my period a few days ago. Like no, yesterday. Someone was telling me that I was pregnant. No, I'm not pregnant. Booyah! So.
Is this the real time?
6:01, yeah. So, I got my period yesterday. So I basically was like, you know who ain't getting any more periods for the rest of the year? This girl. I was like doing the dance. I was like, whoa. No more periods until next year. Stupid. I was legit excited to not have a period for the rest of the year. I'm glad periods are done and out of the way, but come the first of the year, it's just I hope it comes after New Year's, because I want to celebrate New Year's like a big way, like, you know. And I'm not getting any gifts this year because my big gift my big gift is this house and my truck sitting out in my driveway. That's my big gift. So I'm not expecting any gifts this year. Of course, hubby's gonna buy me a Yeti mic. I want a Yeti mic. Oh, be careful. You want to swing? Swing. Ready? Go. Go. Swing. You scared daddy, mama. But anyways, like I was saying, I have the world's most amazing husband. Look at him. Look at him. Nothing more sexier. I have the world's most fattest husband. Nothing is more sexier than a husband, than a man. Not even a husband, because not a lot of people are married. But nothing is more sexier than your significant other in the kitchen cooking meals for his family. That is the most sexiest thing ever. That's like the biggest turn off for me. Like, it just be like an ocean. This whole, the video that I did that said that we were broke, it's not a video like, hey, we're gonna lose our house, a truck, and this, that. No, it wasn't about that. It was just to let you guys know that, hey, you know, it's okay if you go through rough times. You just have to adjust your situation, and you just have to come out to the rice pantry.
Looks like chocolate milk.
Did you make hot cocoa, Mommy? Is it good? So good. Ew, did you dig your nose? Did you dig your nose? Ew, you're nasty. Good morning, pudding cakes. Today is Thursday. I'm so excited. Even though my house is a hot mess, because I have to clean it. I have to clean it, like deep clean before the weekend gets here.
Mommy,
That's books.
did you say Wednesday?
Can I say Wednesday?
Yeah, did you?
No, I said today is Thursday.
Oh.
It's Thursday. You switching the days?
Yeah.
Until Christmas. So hubby gave me his plasma card, and if you guys don't know what plasma is, it's you go and you donate your blood and they pay you. So he's been going, and I got his plasma card, so I'm gonna go shopping. No, I'm going food shopping because we need food. We can't go another day like we're bare. Okay, let me clear this up for you guys, because a lot of people might think that we don't have any money based off of what I said. We have savings. Good. But saving is not an income. Once you start touching that money and it's gone, it's gone. For me, I get anxiety when there's no savings, because if something was to happen and we had to evacuate and move our family, such a large family at that, it would be devastating. Devastating to not be able to do something in case of an emergency, because anything can happen. Anything can happen. House could be here this second and gone in a heartbeat. Car, you know, just, and you need to be able to touch something. So for me, when there's not enough income to cover all of our needs, that's us living beyond our means. There's something has to be done in order for us not to be putting out more than we receive, if that makes sense. So even though there's savings, it's not an income, you know. And I'm not about to touch my savings to buy toys for children. That's not a priority. That can never make sense. And in my life, it needs to make sense in order for me to understand it. So let me clear that up so people doesn't think, oh, you know, we need to start a charity. No, it's not like that. And you guys are so sweet. Oh my gosh, you guys are so sweet sometimes. I am tired. Don't mind this face. Oh my gosh, I've been chatting for 3 minutes. Let's get into the video. Tots always come in handy.
I love tater tots for breakfast.
Oh, there's ramen noodles.
They've been there for
ramen noodles.
last time we went shopping.
You guys are so understanding.
But I want want tater tots for breakfast.
You want tater tots for
You get
breakfast?
tater tots. I don't need it. I try to eat eggs.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead and pull money out of our savings and get them some food because I don't look at their faces. Now they come up in the mornings and they just like, Mommy, you need to get up. Before they didn't even give a crap if I got up or not. They just would come down and get food. And now I feel kind of bad. I feel like a bad mother that there's no food in our house. Like, I just feel like I'm failing life, like, you know. But I'm not beating on myself. It's just a feeling, you know. And for me, I have to learn to let go of what people expectations are. And you know, my journey is just that. It's my journey. I just so happen to have children, and you know, I just have to stop feeling like a failure, you know, and let go of all these emotions that are within me from, you know, childhood, you know. That way I can move on. Go ahead. That way I can move on in life and not feel so crappy, you know, when stuff happens. Good morning! I'm gonna go wake up Maddie and get our day started. Let's get this day started, people.
A merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
So we're in the grocery store trying to get breakfast and lunch. So we have 15 minutes to get out of here. Which one do you guys want?
I like the ones cheese.
There's 2 for $5. Yeah.
Everything looks cheap.
What's the matter? You want to come down and grab? But you're not even in school. Go.
Mommy, I'm picking the same one.
Which one is this? Is it ham?
Yeah.
Oh, turkey. Okay.
Nacho.
That's for lunch? You think that's enough food? Did you like this the last time?
Yeah.
Okay. What else? Who else?
Last time David got that, he said there's nothing.
Okay. You getting the same one?
No, there's nothing. Yeah,
That's what you're getting?
there's other options. You can copy us.
That's ham. Doesn't it say ham? You have to read the label. Turkey's up here. Turkey's right. Maddie, what do you have? What do you have?
They come with a comic, I think.
Ew, this is cold.
Yeah, I know, right? I hate those.
You want cracker?
They come with they're disgusting.
Ooh. Healthy snack for kids. Did you get water?
Yes.
You got water?
Yeah.
There's mandarin if you want it.
No, I don't want mandarin.
Okay. Alright, let's go.
Oh my God, man.
So we're at school now. We got free water.
Oh, wow.
That's why I love Martin's, because they always give free fruit. They give free fruit, free water.
Free
What else?
bananas.
Yeah, that's a part of fruit, Gio. So I got a muffin for breakfast, even though that's kind of like sweet, but it's better than donut, because that's what Jackson wanted. And I got him some. Hey, Buttercup. I just realized I don't have an ending for today's vlog. So went to the grocery store, got some food in the house, spent $346, one of those. It was like I was saying something in the clip and it didn't make any sense, so I deleted it. But yeah, I got food and that was about it, right? Anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow, Friday. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and to my lovely viewers that loves my beautiful face, I love you guys. See you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.